Okay, so decile means what, bachas? जैसे quartile means 4 equal parts you learned. In the same way, decile means 10 equal parts. Okay, and decile is expressed in, that is, it denotes as D. D लिखोगे, that means decile. Okay, and deciles में as it is 10 equal parts है, तो D1 से लेके D9 तक होगा. जैसे क्वार्टाइल में Q1 से लेके Q3 तक है. In the same way, decile में D1 से लेके D9 तक होगा. सो इसमें भी आपको सब में फॉर्मूला लगाना है. तो D1 इट्स ओके, D2 है तो 2/n+1, D3 है तो 3/n+3 4 है तो 4 × n+1 इन दिस वे. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी इंडिविजुअल सीरीज एंड डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में व्हाट इट इज़ गिवन, D1 अगर क्वेश्चन में बोलता है तो साइज ऑफ n+1/10th आइटम. ओके, अगर D3 बोलेगा तो साइज ऑफ 3 × n+1/10. D9 बोलता है तो साइज ऑफ 9 × n+1. इफ इट इज सेड D7 यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, then size of 7 × n+1th item. Okay, so this is the formula of individual and discrete series. Okay, in continuous series what is it, that is CI, class interval of D1, size of n/10th item. D4 है तो size of 4 × n/10th item. If D6, then size of 6 × n/10th item. Okay, this is so you can see in quartile में क्या था, n/4 we are using, isn't it? क्वार्टाइल में n/4 यूज़ कर रहे थे. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. क्वार्टाइल. डिसाइल में हम लोग n/10 यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स था. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एंड डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. सो हियर ऑल्सो फॉर इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में n का मतलब होगा नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, एंड फॉर डिस्क्रीट सीरीज n मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी, टोटल ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. Okay, then in continuous series also here, but in continuous series what you have to use, that is ये क्लास इंटरवल वाला फॉर्मूला के बाद वन मोर फार्मूला यू हैव टू यूज फॉर गेटिंग इट, दैट इज D1 इज इक्वल टू L1 + n/10 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, divided by F into I. Formula is same what you had used in quartile. Okay, but here only difference is by 10. In quartile you are using n/4, here decile you are using n/10. Okay, this is the formula. In the same way, percentile means 100 equal parts, and percentile denotes as P capital letter. Okay, P alphabet, and 100 equal parts, that means percentile का P1 से लेके P99 तक आएगा. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Here also formula is same for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Only difference is here we will be using n+1/100 क्योंकि percentile means 100 equal parts. Okay, so this is the formulas for individual and discrete series. You can go through your book में भी आपका this formulas are given. Okay, so this is individual series formula what I had written. P1 के लिए size of n+1/100. If it is as P3, then size of 3 × n+1/100. If it is as P25, तो size of 25 × n+1/100. Okay, this is how you will be using. So in the continuous series also same formula, size of n/100th item. वैसे ही in continuous series one more formula you have to use, that is P1 is equal to L1 + n/100 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, upon F into I. Okay, so this is how you have to use the formulas for quartile, deciles and percentile. Okay, if you know the formula, and rest the calculations are same as you had used for individual series. Only number of items will be given, you have to calculate it. Then for discrete series आपका frequency दिया रहेगा, you have to do it with that. And in continuous series you have to take out the mid value if it is asked, then you have to take out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency में जब आंसर आता है तो what you will be doing, you are taking the value which is, जो वैल्यू निकला है उसके जस्ट ऊपर वाला पार्ट यूज़ करते हो इन CF. ओके, दैट इज whole the process of the calculation is same. Only thing is you have to be very thorough with your formulas. Okay, so I hope it is clear everyone till here.